Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials, algebra, trig, and units, because physics translates into math. Focus on vector addition and dimensional analysis first, then practice 10-15-minute daily drills to build speed. Once you can rearrange equations and handle sine and cosine without hesitation, move into simple kinematics problems. Make sure to annotate units every step. This prevents errors and trains intuition. Keep explanations concise in your notebook, and solve at least one problem that mixes algebra and trig each study session. You now move into the middle, structured topic blocks with active problem solving. Start each block by reading a short summary, then do 5 worked examples while narrating your steps aloud. Once done, attempt 8 mixed problems that force you to choose methods rather than memorize formulas. Make sure to draw diagrams and label vectors every time. Visuals reduce mistakes and clarify forces. Between sessions, review flashcards for key definitions, and run quick simulations to see abstract concepts behave in real time. You finish by connecting skills into reliable performance. Build one-page concept maps and solve full-length, timed problem sets to simulate tests. After each set, grade yourself and rework every incorrect problem until you can solve it error-free. That cements understanding. If you get stuck, isolate the misconception, strip the problem to its simplest case, and try a different explanation or resource. Make sure to document the exact step where you failed. Troubleshooting a single step is faster than relearning a whole topic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.